What's up, YouTube? So today I want to show you a really cool trick that I figured out on how to kind of hack Vital to give you a kind of granular-like sound. Let's dive in and have a look. So here in this project, I've generated a piano sample using the Arturia Piano V2. So the piano sample that I made was in C2. And what I want to do is show you guys quickly how to create a sample and load it up in Vital to sound pretty close to how it sounded in the kind of audio realm. So first and foremost, what we want to do is jump into the wavetable editor and punch in here the key that we rendered it out, so C2, and what it'll do is it'll automatically work out the frame size that we need for that. Another thing that I generally like to do is turn off spectral. I like to turn it to, I think file blend is generally the cleanest for this kind of. Let's just listen to it and see. We'll flip those around and see. So what we want to do now is let's set this to a ramp up shape like this, and then set it to modulate the wavetable position. And we've essentially recreated this piano sound now. Let's just have a listen to this. Okay, so we've recreated the audio sample within Vital's oscillator. How would we get more of a kind of granular-like sound? What we could do is potentially freeze this LFO, so this phase would then become the kind of like movement of the sound, and we could randomize that, for example. What we could also do is we could, for example, set some unison up on this. We could jump in and we could change the detune range, so it's not doing much detune, but here we could change the table spread. And so what this is going to do is it's going to change that kind of sample position and almost create like different granules and offset them depending on how we set this up. Wow, that is amazing, amazing. For just one oscillator, a bit of effect, that is one of the nicest sounding pads I think I've heard myself make in Vital at least. So here's another cool thing we could do. We could potentially make like glitchy type of sounds and try re-trigger it in various different ways. So what I want to do is just to jump into that same sample we had again. We can set it up quickly by punching here into C2. So here, the idea is we want to create faster movements, but not throughout the whole wavetable. So it's just going to grab little chunks. Do you know what I mean? Awesome. That is about it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Nice and simple, but I'm sure you guys will put very good use to that technique. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm going to be uploading these presets to my Patreon for all my $5 supporters. So if you want to know what that's all about, check out the link in the description. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. See you guys next time. Cheers.